In this video, I will walk you through 3 documents here that will help you upgrade your vocabulary using strong verbs. It's important that you understand first to use signal phrases when you write. Signal phrases were covered in other lessons in this course. Signal phrases, they're the parts of a sentence that lead up to where you include quotations or passages from other writing. It's the part where you say something like, according to Lahore and Smith, or Inoue has noted. This bit here, these are signal phrases. One of the most important things that a student must do is avoid dropping quotations. Dropped quotes are ones that are just dumped between other sentences. Signal phrases, they provide transitions and context in your writing. They also provide the citations. Since this lesson has been covered separately, I'm not going to go into great detail here, but it's important to review that and understand what a signal phrase is before considering some of the other things I'm about to say. When writing, it can be really tricky to wrap your mind around what verb to use to introduce a passage. One of the mistakes I see a lot, and it's just like shows beginner level writing at doing this kind of thing, is to write talks about. So let's pretend like the researcher's last name is Jones, and the thing was written in 2019. The sentence might say something like Jones 2019 talks about blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah is the quote. But talks about's a terrible verb, really. It's something that's conversational. It's something that doesn't fit in a paper like this. So what do? Well, there are 2 things I want you to look at. Verbs that are really helpful. There are verbs included in the signal phrases text, but this website also has some wonderful verbs here that you might look at that are useful for writing. It also categorizes the verbs into 3 different types: tentative, neutral, and strong. You would choose which fits your writing. There's also where you can download this as a PDF and keep the set of verbs. The other document that I'd like you to see is They Say, I Say templates. You can also open this as a PDF. You can come up here and download it and keep a copy of it. This is a really useful document for understanding basic sentence patterns that are used in academic writing. The ones that I think are particularly useful for what you're doing is this little set right here, or these 2 actually. Capturing authorial action and introducing quotations. There's more on the next page. There's even a nice little transition list at the bottom as well. So when you're writing, just try not to use the same verb over and over again, like explained, 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 or wrote, wrote, wrote when you're introducing a passage or a quote from a reading. Instead, reach for these documents, remember this lesson, apply it, and you'll see not only your vocabulary, but your writing go up multiple levels. Thanks for watching.